I ask my players, okay, you can fight, you must fight, you must boot intensity, aggressivity like Camarões, but o comando is the head, not the heart. And my players, my guys, did it.
I think as a team, from the start, in terms of training, in terms of the mindset, I think we've all been together, we've all been behind each other as individuals and as a team, and I think everyone can see that. So we continue in this way, and we continue to do what we've been doing, and yeah.
Everyone, from the strikers to the defenders, we all put in a shift, put in 100%. Like I said, I've been saying anything to win, whether we win ugly, whether we win playing good football. The main thing is about winning, and that's the tactic for going through all the way to.
Nigeria took their chances, and despite the fact that they took their chances, they were the better team in the day. Because Cameroon, even if it happened that Cameroon had won the game, I would say they didn't deserve the victory for today. Nigeria well deserved the victory for today. So I think after this, Rigobert Song should just have to pack his bag.
For the first time, I think I wasn't exactly too nervous with their game. Nwabali was very confident before he was injured. Bassi gave it 100%. Lookman was everywhere, from the back to defending, from the attack. Osimhen the beast. Generally, they all gave their best. That's the Super Eagles we want to see. Super Eagles with flair, commitment, playing and making sure that, well, at the end of the day, the aim is to win.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.